So hello guys, this is my 6th video vlog and I'm gonna show you the progress of my Hellcat. I will show you footage from a paint shop how my car changed the color. Hey, hello guys, today is a special day for me because I'm going to take my Hellcat from the paint job because I changed the color. Yes, and I'm with my boy. He's my best friend. So I will show you the differences and how nice is the paint job. So what do we have here? The car is painted in tar red. So guys, I want to discuss one thing. In the next footage, I'm gonna show you how I did the anti-corrosion from rust to my Hellcat. And I want to discuss one thing because lots of people don't do that because they live like in a warm area where they don't have winters. But here in Europe and Lithuania we have winters, we have salt, and I just want to protect my Hellcat from rust. So, well, if you live in a warm area, I think that it is necessary to do that. But in my place, I want to drive my car daily. I want to drive it all the time. I want to drive it in winters. And I'm not telling you that I'm gonna drive it like crazy, you know, we're gonna have lots of snow, but if we're gonna have a little bit snow or something like that, I will put winter tires on and I will drive it, but I'm afraid from the rust, so I just wanted to protect it. So I think that is a very good investment, you know, because now the bottom of my car is like new, there's no rust, So I'm gonna put the anti-corrosion on, the anti-corrosion coating, and then I will be safe. So look at the next video and see how was it done. Home sweet home again, Dodgy. So let's see how the color looks at the evening. I like it. It's tall red, as you know, everybody. But we didn't finish it to put everything back, so we have to put the tail lights and other stuff. So it's not finished. The other side is finished, as you see.
Beep beep.
So at this moment my rims are off because I took them to refresh, to repaint them because they had scratches. And I will paint them from black matte to black mirror black. So what else? Well, here inside everything is finished, done and together. I have some tires here for drag racing. They are Slicks 320 Hankook R18. Okay, and the moment again when I'm gonna show you all the costs. So I have some updates and I'm gonna show you now. So let's go throughout those prices. Who is watching me from vlog 1 to vlog 6, they know all the prices here, so I'm not going to talk a lot about them, but you can see how much money I spent for all the repairs, parts, and we have now new updates. So it is the paint job that I spent 1,550 euros, which is $1,677. There is another update that I didn't mention, so it is some of engine parts, so it is already $2,005. What else? We have all glasses out and in, because when I was repainting the car I had to take the glasses out and put them in. So the price is, as you see, 95 euros and $103. Bumper plastic holders, it is as you see, 55 euros, $62. Tail lights, what about them? I was making them to Europe standard, so it costed me 120 euros, which is $135. And after painting, to put all parts together, so I paid 400 euros, so it was $450. So now at this moment in total I have 34,300 euros, which is $38,652. And in the next video vlog I'm going to show you more stuff because I will need to buy performance parts for my engine, and maybe in the next vlog I'm going to show you more detailed video what kind of parts that I buy for my engine, but we'll see. So thank you guys for watching my video, and in the next vlog I'm going to show you more about my engine, what's going on and what I bought, what kind of parts I have, because my engine is going to be a bomb, because everything's going to be changed to new performance parts. So see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, and see you later. So me and my boy just chilling in the car. Where's the engine, Arius? No engine. He knows that we don't have an engine because the engine is rebuilding now, so we just can sit in, just play a little bit, and that's all, and dream about that day when we're gonna start the car and go for a ride.
Oh, right.